Welcome to another hip hop breakdown. So let's get right into it. All right, that looked kind of hard, but it's not that hard. So we're gonna break this down. We're gonna go slow and we're gonna go fast. We're gonna take small chunks, put it all together. It's only 2/8 counts. Let's get right to it. Before we start, I want to give a shout out, quick thanks to Maddie for helping out. So the lovely young assistant right here, that's Maddie. And behind the camera we have Maria. So thank you both for helping out. Here we go. The first 4 count, let's check it out. Let's watch it slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. As always, we're gonna break this down. Lower half first. Take a look at the leg. We're just jumping out and in. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? Again, my leg starts in. So when I say in, they're together. Maddie did a great job as well. So keeping them close. I'm just doing, it's like a jumping jack, just out and in. Right on the 1, jumping out. Okay? Nice and wide. 1 and coming in, and 2 and, okay, again 3 and 4. Okay, we're gonna stop with 4. Now watch the arms. Right on the 1. So before the 1, let's do the and. Watch the and. My arms are together on the end. Man, he was a little bit late, but that's all right. So here's my and. All right, and right on the 1 I'm pulled. It's almost like you're pulling an arrow. Okay, pull the strings of the arrow. That's my 1. 1 on the end. Right when I jump up, my arms are ready, pulling the arrow, aiming at the other side. 1 and. That's and. 2. There's my 2. Okay. Again, and on the and. 3. Immediately, I'm going and I'm reaching around the back of my head. Okay. So on the and. 3, I pull it back behind my head. 3 and 4, I pull it in front of my head. So the on 3 is behind the head and then in front of the head. Okay, so we're gonna watch that one more time in halftime. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, good. So we're gonna move forward. We're gonna watch this at tempo. Fast, but let's try that one more time. Here we go, if you didn't catch that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. All right, moving forward to the next 4 count, which is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's watch the 5, 6, 7, 8 in halftime. Okay, or actually that's 5. Let's try that one more time. Here we go. Let's watch that halftime. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay. So the key is staying low. Okay? What do I mean by staying low? I'm hunching over. Watch my upper body. I'm leaning forward. So Maddie and I are about the same height. However, she's still kind of high compared to where I'm standing at. Okay, so my knees slightly bent. That gives me better balance. So if you catch yourself standing straight up and you're wondering why you're off balance, it'll help you if your knee's slightly bent. Okay, definitely the knee that comes up, you're definitely going to bend that. You bring it up, but I'm talking about the other knee that's down. You want to slightly bend, sit a little bit. Okay, definitely hunch over forward so your center of balance is better. So this is my and 5, I'm kicking out. Maddie did a great job. Your hands are pushing your knees down to the side. Okay, that's and 5. On the end, it's almost like a pendulum. I'm swinging. Okay, my right foot is coming down. At the same time, my left foot is going to the side. Okay, so that's and 5. And 6, bring the knee up on 6. Okay, and 5 and 6. Okay, push it on and 7. That's 7. Right when the foot lands, that's and 7. Bring it in on and 8. On 8, that's when my body straightens up. Okay, that's when I come up. One more time, let's watch. Focus on the body. Focus on, if you just watch the head, it should stay down. Okay, here we go. And 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Then I come up on the 8. Okay, and the hands just follows the knee basically. Okay, watch on the end. And it's almost like my hands are receiving the knee. 5, I push it away. And on this end, I'm catching the other knee. Okay, and 5 and 6, receive it. And 7, on the 7, I'm catching the other knee. And receive it. Kick it down on the 8. Okay. Let's watch that tempo. Here we go. Okay, once again, let's watch that again. It's quite fast. And here we go, one more time, tempo. And 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay. If you have that, let's put it together. We're going to go from the first 8 count, one 8 count tempo. Okay, we're moving along quite fast, but let's see that one more time. Here we go. Maddie did a great job. Very good job, Maddie. Thank you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Moving forward, let's take a look at the next 4 count. Here we go. And 3 and 4 and. Good. One more time. Watching the legs, okay? So we're starting out, we finished on the 8. So immediately, we're going 8 and 1. Notice the and. 7, that's 8, and make sure you tap your feet on the end, and 1. Very good, knees high on the 1. 1, and 2, and. We seen this before, kind of on the pas de bourrée, okay? It's similar to the pas de bourrée. The movement is actually exactly the same. However, we're counting on the end. We're stepping the feet down on the end. It's not on the 1. The knee goes up on the 1. Just quickly rewinding it. Take a look. That's 8 and 1, okay? So knee up on the 1. Different from the pas de bourrée before. And 2, and. Notice right here, my knee's bent. This allows me to kick up or bend up on the 3. Right on the 3, I'm pivoting. Real quick, rewind that again. Watch how I pivot. Right on the 3. 3, and the knee comes up on the 3. Pivot and turn at the same time on the 3. 3 and 4 and. Okay, notice the pressures leaning forward on the end. Okay, 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's try that. We're going to watch that tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, that's real fast, but let's try it. Let's try that one more time. 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Excellent. All right. Let's move forward. We're almost done. The last 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. We'll do the halftime. 7, 8. Okay. All right. What are we doing? 5 and 6, simple. It's just a kickball change. Okay. 5 and 6. Now, I should have started with my legs wider apart because after we finish the 4 and, my legs are wider apart. However, knowing that, we're just gonna kick with our right foot. Kick on the 5. 5 and 6. Okay, 5 and 6. Here we go. Now, when I turn, it's going to be heel toe turn. Heel toe. Heel toe comes in, and we're facing the front. Okay, going back again. 5 and 6. 5 and 6 right here. So this is 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, or this is 7 and 8. Right on the 7, I'm putting my right arm around the head. Okay, this is 7, and on the end you can't really see it, but my hand is going between my elbow right here, or inside my elbow, and it's kind of like turning it to the front. 7 and 8. Finish on the 8. One more time. Let's watch that. Halftime. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. Okay. We're gonna break this down. The whole 2/8 counts. Halftime. Let's watch this halftime. Here we go. 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Man, I just realized after I'm counting, there's really no break. There's only one little part in there. There was a break on the end, but everything else, there's all these end counts in there. So it's there's a lot of material in there, but if you just realize exactly where they are, you're going to be fine. All right, here we go. Let's do this and watch this. Tempo. Okay. 6, 7, and 8. Oh man. All right, good. Any questions? Hit me up on the comments below. If you like it, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And I'll post more of this. And I'll see you in the next video.